And first at 5 tonight, the killing of a former fire chief by police. Was it justified? Investigators now releasing their findings. Investigators found the police shooting of a former New Bedford fire chief justified. Thanks for joining us online. I'm Dan Janick.
And I'm Patrice Wood. The shooting happened outside a bar in Fairhaven in late December. The I-Team's Brian Crandall is here with new details from the DA's report. Brian?
Well, Patrice and Dan, Paul Coderre had been fired as New Bedford fire chief nearly 2 years before he was shot and killed by police in December. And the new report indicates his fight to overturn that firing may have played a role in his frame of mind the day of his death, when he got new information just hours earlier. The scene outside Bayside Lounge in Fairhaven, December 29th, after police shot and killed Paul Coderre Jr. The new report from the Bristol County District Attorney finds officers were justified. The report states Coderre was drunk, had a gun, had fired a shot before police arrived, and was then in a 30-minute standoff with them before he fired at them, hitting an Acushnet police officer in the leg, and officers fired back. The report states multiple videos, including police body camera, captured the scene. Coderre told officers, quote, "I'm either going to put a bullet in my head or you're going to shoot me." The report states Coderre was at the bar during the day with other current or former fire chiefs. One of them called Coderre's wife to pick him up because he'd been drinking, which appeared to upset Coderre. The report states he smashed his own truck window trying to get a spare set of keys, grabbed one of his friends by the throat and slammed him against the truck, and fired a shot from his pistol in the air. The report states when police arrived, officers and Coderre's friends tried to talk him down. Officers then tried a couple of times to use a taser on him, then a lasso-type device, then a beanbag gun, but none of it worked. Instead, the report states Coderre pulled his gun, as seen in this photo, and shot at them. 4 officers shot back at Coderre. 5 bullets struck him. Nearly 2 years earlier, Coderre was fired as New Bedford fire chief, the city claiming he was faking an injury to be out of work, and showed pictures of Coderre moving a grill to support their case. But 3 weeks before the shooting, we reported a state panel found Coderre's firing was unlawful. The mayor told me, though, then the city would fight back. And the new report states the city filed its appeal in court the morning of the shooting. A friend told investigators that while at the bar, Coderre got a phone call informing him of the appeal, causing him to get, quote, a little pissed off. Coderre's wife told investigators his behavior at the bar before the shooting was not like him, but she said that he had seemed more agitated after he recently started taking a new medication for his injuries. She also said the publicity over the appeal of his firing was upsetting to him. I'm Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News.